Wow, let's see. Balik, balik, balik. Flexing her new panda. Ay, sa wala ko gani. So this time, this is your favorite part. Guess. Guess ha. Tagan na sa.
Money?
No.
Grocery?
Oh, very good.
Hey, my favorite.
So far, this is my gift for my mother. So, how's your experience, ma? So, actually, this is my first time to bring my mother and surprise her with shopping. And what will you say, ma? What will you say? This is your special day. Even though we are not in Korea, but we celebrate Parents' Day. So, what will you say?
Very thankful and happy for today. Here, Philippines Mother's Day is May 12th.
May 12. So, this is also my gift for you. This Mother's Day. Ilan ako motor.
It's up to you.
So, later we will eat spaghetti. This is sponsored by Kim Yong Sunim. So, later na lang ha. So, since today in Korea is Parents' Day, Kim Yong Sunim support or give this spaghetti because he asked me if what is your favorite food, and I answered spaghetti. So he gave me money to buy spaghetti. So this is sponsored by Kim Yong Sunim. 1, 2, 3. Kim Yong Sunim, kamsahamnida. And of course, since I am with my mother today, we want to greet to all the sponsors, and especially to Ma'am Magtandeg Nim and Sir Bikini. 1, 2, 3. Hengbogan Oboynan Boneseo. 1, 2, 3. Hengbogan Oboynan Boneseo. Kamsahamnida.
Special principal. Legendary.
Sasio.
Sorry for dinner. Very nice.